Hi everybody, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to add a scrolling header to your website. People use scrolling headers basically to call attention to specific text on their website. The text is going to be moving dynamically, so you'll really get to bring attention to one specific area on your website, specific words as well. So the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are in the editing mode. So a simple way to figure that out is if you can see save, preview, and publish right here. That's a good indicator that you are in the editing mode. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to this store, and it's called the App Market. You're going to click on the App Market, and you're going to go over to this search box that says, what do you want to add to your site? You're going to click that, and you are going to type in HTML because we're going to be adding an HTML code to our website in order to get the scrolling header. Once you type that in, you'll see a couple options. We're going to want to click this option, HTML iframe/embed. Once you click that, you're going to see add to site, so you're going to add it to site, and you're going to get this gray box on your website, but it won't be gray for long. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to enter website address and code. And I already have it copied to my board, the code, but you'll be able to access that through a link in the description to this video. So I'm going to Command V to paste, and right now you will see a few different strings. So if I were to click update, what you see is what we have. So we have this orange text that's in Helvetica font that is size 6 according to the website, and it is saying your text here. We do not want it to say your text here, so immediately we're going to highlight that, delete, and as long as you stay in between these two carets, you're going to be able to write what you want. So for now, I think I'm just going to write my name, so that people can see who I am and what this website is, and I can click update. You don't really need to click update between each different step, but I just like to do it to make sure that I'm on the right path. So right now you can see that it says M. Erdman right on top of each other, but for now I really want to change the size of my font because I want it to stand out, so I'm going to change it to size 8. The larger the number, the bigger the font's going to be, and the smaller the number, the smaller the font is going to be. I also want to change the font so that it's the same face as the rest of my website. So the rest of my website right now, where you see it says Behind My Freckles, is in Arial Black. So I'm going to click where it says Railway and Helvetica because that's the current font that is in this code. And I'm going to highlight and erase. And you need to stay within the quotation marks, and I'm going to write my new font, which is Arial Black. And if I click update, you can see that it looks a little bolder and the size is a little bigger because I made it 8 font. Now I still have this orange font, which does not go with my website scheme whatsoever, so I want to change the color. As you can see, there's not really a spot that has a color swatch like other functions in your website does, but it does have this code, or this color code, that begins with a hashtag. And in order to find the color code for other things on your website, you can click on another shape or something else that you added, such as other static font or the shape like I have here. So it's okay if you exit out of the code for now. And I'm going to click on this shape and go over to this paintbrush looking logo that says design. Once I'm in design, I'll get this box that says shape design, and I'm going to, sometimes yours might not say shape design, mine just says shape design because this is a shape that I clicked on. But I'm going to go to this color, and right now you can see that it says hashtag and then it's a string of letters and numbers. You're going to click on add color, which is right next to it, and you're going to see that same number code, letter and number code. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and it'll automatically highlight the numbers. It won't highlight the hashtag, but that's good. You don't want the hashtag for this part. And you're going to copy, I do Command C, and then you can exit out. Then you're going to go back to your box, so you can click anywhere where you currently see that the letters are moving, and you're going to go back to edit code. It should already say code, still say code, as opposed to website address. And you're going to see right here again where your color code is, and you're going to highlight up to the hashtag. You want to leave the hashtag there, and you're going to paste in the new code and click update. So now you can see that my font is the right color. However, it's currently over top of other words that I have on my page, so just like any other thing on your website, you can move it around in this box. But you can also see that my first name is on top of my last name, and that's just because the box is not big enough. So if you widen the box, you can see how they begin to go on top of each other. But now you still can also see how the words are going off into nothing over here. It kind of just looks like it's staggering off, and then it also seems like the words are coming out of nowhere. So if you extend the box using the circles on the side, you want to extend it to the margins on the edge of your page. And if you do that, it'll look like it's starting and ending on and off of your page. And if you click out of this and go to preview your website, you'll see the scrolling header, and you will eventually see it go right off your page. And that is how you make a scrolling header. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. There will be more tutorial videos to come, and let me know how I did. Thank you so much.